Are you a fresh graduate and want to change your status from fresh graduate to job ready sales professional? Then this video is very helpful for you because in this topic, I will be talking about what are the steps you can take so that you can change your status from fresh graduate to job ready sales professional. Hello friends, my name is Ranjana Raikar. I'm a professional trainer. Friends, this topic I have divided into three parts. Now, first part, that is today's video, I will be talking about what are the steps involved in job search. Then what are the job opportunities available for you as a fresh graduate. Then I will spend some time making you understand why this selling profession is very important. And at the last, I will give you some tips and some benefits of joining pharmaceutical selling profession. Then next part, that is second part, I will make video on what are the prerequisites or skills required for this selling profession. And third part, I will be conducting free webinar for you. And I will send you Zoom link. I will attach Zoom link in mails if you can provide me your email ID or your WhatsApp number. Okay. So this is how this topic I have divided into three parts. So let us start with our first part, that is so friends, your current status is yes, right now you are a fresh graduate. Okay, so it is like wow moment for you. But immediately after a few days, that status change, and then a big question arises in front of you, that is now what? And there are many answers, different students different answers. Some students want to go for higher studies, their options are entirely different. But those students, those who want to start their career in the profession, they want to start their job search, then this video will definitely help you. Okay, so what are the steps, friends, involved in job search? Now, for this industry, you will be known as a fresher. So, what is fresher mean? Fresher means you do not have experience, practical experience of this job. So, that is how this word has come, that is fresher. Okay. So, what are the steps involved in job search? First step, friends, is set job search expectations. That means what? First, you decide in which segment you would like to make your career, as well as what are your hobbies, what are your liking. So, according to your liking, if you choose your job, you will enjoy your job. You will find yourself very happy. Okay, so first step is you set your expectations regarding your job. Then next step is you have to craft your resume very nicely. Why resume plays very important role? Because your resume is the first interaction with organization. So HR person first will see, before you sees you in physical appearance, he will see your CV and have some perception about yours. So that is why your resume preparation has to be very good. So that when HR people screen candidates for calling them for interview, your resume has to be such a powerful that they would like to call you for interview. Okay. Then next is identify your job opportunity. So once you have decided, yes, yeah, in this particular segment, I would like to make my career, then you identify opportunities. What are the opportunities, what are the organization, which what are the companies available? So your search starts. Then fourth step is enhance your professionalism, because friends, till yesterday you were a student and your entire life was different. Your appearance, your body language, your the way you were talking, everything was different. Your life was like college going student. So student life, now you are entering into profession, so expectations have changed. There is 180-degree change in the expectation in the professional life. So your body language, your verbal, non-verbal body language, communication, then your appearance, etiquettes, behavior, everything will be observed. And on the basis of that, see, on the basis of your knowledge, people will screen you, as well as importantly, they will see during interview the way you communicate, the way you present yourself, the way your body language. Okay, so everything matters. So you have to enhance your professionalism either by getting trained or by observing. Okay, so these are the steps involved in job search. Friends, next is what are the job opportunities available with any degree, like whether B Pharma, D Pharma, or a BAc, BCom, or BA, whatever degree you will be having. There are n number of job opportunities available, friends. Here I have listed only few. This list is not complete. Okay, so there are various opportunities available. So whatever commonly which are known by many, I have listed them. So here you can see HR, accountancy, marketing, then advertising, banking, management consultancy, teaching profession, public sector jobs, as well as in government sectors job, hospitality, and travel industry. Then you will find that many of the students, they also enter into supply chain management as well as logistic companies. Okay, and here you will see the last word, that is sales. Though it is mentioned last, but it is very lucrative as well as very attractive. I will tell you why. Because whatever job opportunities you will see, whether it is HR or hospitality, traveling, and most of the job opportunities, they required expertise in that particular segment. You need to undergo first courses. You have to spend money. You have to spend 1 or 2 years to acquire that specialty, and then you can enter into that profession or into that job. However, those people, those students who are in need of getting job immediately, they don't want to spend their years now in studying. Or some student, they have a lot of money, but they don't have a lot of interest in studying further. Or some students, they don't have both, means they don't have time to spend in study, and as well as they don't want to now go for further studies. For all these students, sales will be the ideal profession to be chosen. Okay, so friends, sales profession, with your basic qualification, you can enter into this job and can achieve great heights. Okay, so why I have kept it in the list, it is last, because in our society also, if you see, still sales is looked at or seen as a last opportunity only, that if nothing is working, then people go for sales profession. But with this videos, if you see my videos, all videos consecutively, whatever I will be uploading, you will understand that this sales profession is really a wonderful profession where you can really achieve your dreams. Okay, so let us see our next, that is why to choose this selling profession. Why I'm talking so much about sales? Okay, so a career in sales not only presents the possibility of economic success, that means not only you can earn a lot of money, but also gives the personal satisfaction. Okay, because when you convert your customer, when you sell your each and every product, when you help your customer to satisfy their needs, you yourself find very satisfied, because your efforts are you can see results of your efforts. Okay, and also this profession provides growth which is very fast. Okay, so that is how this selling profession is very attractive. You will develop various skills which could open the doors towards your desired career options. So initially, like those who really want a job immediately, yes, they can start their job with selling profession, but they have some uh, different career options in their mind. Like some of you would like to go for marketing, or some of you may would like to go for some other like teaching or any other profession or training and all. So yes, after joining this profession, you will be learning, you will be developing so many skills, and you can gather so much of experience. This experience and this skill will help you in getting your desired career option. Then limitless earning potential packed with rewards and recognitions. Lot of earning potentials, because in selling, beauty of this profession is you will not earn only your salary, but with your efforts, with your talent, you can also earn lot of incentives. Okay, and lot of rewards also company provides once you achieve your sales, once you achieve your targets. Okay, so that is how you can achieve your dreams, you can fulfill your dreams by earning lot of money in this profession. Then flexible working hours. This is the boon of this selling profession. ये तो एकदम बहुत बढ़िया गिफ्ट है कि you can like work as per your time, means uh, once you plan your day for your customers, then you will find that each and every customer, they have different timings. Okay, so you will be working as per your customers timing. So you don't have to go every day at 9 p.m. to office and then leave at 6:30 from the office. No, here you have a lot of flexibility. Okay, so you can nicely balance your work life life also. Okay, so flexible working hours you will find, and you will broaden your professional network, क्योंकि आप इतने सारे लोगों से मिलते हैं दिन में, different customers, then different people, because when you meet customer, along with customer you have to meet other departments also. Okay, so you can broaden your network. Then different company people also you will keep meeting, because you are out in the market. Okay, you are not sitting with only 50 people or 100 people in one office. You are out in the market, so that is why you will be developing good relation, good network with many people. Okay, and professionally, continuous learning, and this is how you will be learning continuously. When you meet people, when you present yourself, when you talk to your customer, you are learning, you are studying, you are observing. Okay, and this is how this profession gives you a fast career growth. Okay, so this is this I talked about only selling profession, but amongst various selling professions, there are various selling professions. Okay, and amongst those selling professions, why to choose pharmaceutical selling profession? Now, pharmaceutical selling profession gives industry, means pharmaceutical industry is industry which is recession proof. What is recession proof? That means कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आ जाए, इकोनॉमिकली देश को अगर बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हो जाए, या फिर कैलामिटीज आ जाए, कुछ भी आ जाए, लेकिन ये इंडस्ट्री आप देखेंगे तो ये ग्रो होते ही रहती है. एनी गिवन कंडीशन, you can even see during this pandemic condition also, growth rate of pharma industry was more than 15%. Many industries, they are seeing means during this lockdown period, they have means completely shut down their companies, but pharma industry, none of the companies was bankrupt. All companies are flourishing. Okay, so that is the beauty of this pharma industry. It is ever growing industry during that is why it is called as recession proof industry. Okay, कभी भी आपको इस ये इंडस्ट्री में ग्रोथ ही मिलेगा. And the second point is sale happens mainly on the basis of personal selling. यहाँ पे मशीन नहीं काम करेगा. अगर सेलिंग होनी है तो वो पर्सन के थ्रू ही होनी है. Okay, so MR plays very important role. Medical representative. MR is medical representative who is visiting customer, who is visiting doctors, chemists, stockists. These are all customers, and they bring sales. They generate revenue for organization. So they are the important aspect of this industry. Okay, that gives lot of pride. कि मैं मेरे कंपनी के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट हूँ. ओके, तो ये एक फीलिंग है, वो बहुत ही बढ़िया फीलिंग होती है. Then sky is the limit for career growth. With your basic qualification, BSc, BCom, BA, B Pharma, D Pharma, with this basic qualification, basic skills and knowledge, you can reach to any position, that is vice, right from vice president to marketing managers, national sales manager. So any segment you can grow and you can reach at top position. Okay, so right from your entry level as a medical representative, in 12 to 15 years of span of time, you can reach at great heights. So friends, with your basic qualification, you can start earning in this profession, in pharma selling profession, and you within 10 to 12 years, you can reach up to higher position. And from medical representative to next level, that is area manager, then to regional manager, then there are various positions. And promotion happens in just 3 to 4 years of time. Only requirement is your performance, your desire to put in efforts, आपका hard work, आपका skill improvement, आपका development will help you to achieve great heights in this profession. Okay, so for the consistent performer, the take home salary inclusive of attractive incentives. और मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया है आपको कि आपको सिर्फ सैलरी नहीं, आपको बहुत सारे आपका बैंक अकाउंट में तो पैसा आते ही रहता है. सैलरी आती है, फिर डेली अलाउंस आता है, फिर पेट्रोल अलाउंस आ जाता है, फिर इंसेंटिव आ जाता है. इंसेंटिव्स भी बहुत सारे हेडिंग्स में है. एनुअल इंसेंटिव है, फिर क्वार्टर इंसेंटिव है, फिर प्रोडक्ट इंसेंटिव है. एंड नॉट ओनली दिस, after achieving your consistent achievement of incentives, many companies, they send their medical representative, area manager, or entire hierarchy, they go for foreign trips. Some companies also send them along with their family members, spouse. Okay, so this you can just see this industry with your efforts. Not only you will be earning salary, but you also can achieve much more money and can fulfill your dreams, which are the dreams which you are seeing since so many years. Now it is time to fulfill your dreams. And which job will help you to fulfill your dreams with your basic qualification? Pharmaceutical selling profession. So top performers gets foreign trips along as well as alone as well as spouse. It depends upon company to company. The companies take care of traveling expenses, medical insurance, hospitalization expenses, everything. Okay, so this industry really will give you a lot of money, a lot of respect, and will help you to achieve your dreams. This industry also, this job, this profession will give you the opportunity to interact with highly qualified and respected member of this society. Doctors are called as like second to God. Okay, and you will be meeting these highly qualified doctors. You will be developing relation with these doctors. Okay, relations are built in such a way that doctors, many of the times, they keep your mobile number and they keep calling. Then you also can call directly to them. Otherwise, these top doctors of this country, rarely even patients find it very difficult to approach this doctor, but medical representative can easily approach these doctors. Okay, and in society, in your relatives also, you will have good name, because people find you as a knowledgeable person regarding drugs, as well as regarding medication, as well as regarding which are the doctors who are good in this territory, or to whom they can approach, which hospital they can go. So your relatives also will come and then look at you as somebody who can help them, who can guide them as when it comes to managing diseases. Okay, so this is one of the very important benefit. Then this profession also makes you dynamic, because you will be meeting different categories of people. You are meeting doctors, you are meeting different chemists, many company people. So you are continuously working towards your development of skills, communication, body language, then behavior. So and companies also arrange, many companies they arrange various programs, development program for their people. Okay, so you are not money wise you are improving, you are not only your bank balance is improving, but you yourself also you are improving, you are developing your skills and knowledge. Okay, so you are not entering into any routine job, 9 to 5 job. I'm not demeaning this 9 to 5 job, please pardon me. Okay, I'm not demeaning, yes there is importance. Okay, because they are working in the office, that is why we can safely and we can confidently and very promptly work in the field. Okay, so I'm not demeaning, but those people, those who have really desired to uh, work in the field, okay, they like to travel, they like to communicate with many people. Okay, they have courage to take sales pressure, so they will not find their job routine. Okay, so, and this profession also inculcates good habits in you, because without discipline, you cannot expect results. So, discipline will be inculcated in you. Then give satisfaction of serving patients, as I already mentioned, that you will be serving your doctors with in terms of suggesting them your drugs, which are the drugs available in the market, then which are the indication in which they can prescribe these drugs. So a lot of information you are sharing with your doctor, with your with your information, doctors will be treating them, uh, treating their patients properly, because doctors are well versed, they are expert in disease and diagnosis. Okay, disease management and diagnosis, they are expert. But why doctors are allowing medical representative to come and visit? Because they know that yes, the knowledge regarding drugs can be can be availed only through medical representative. That is why in indirectly or directly you are serving patients need. Okay, so friends, this is what I wanted to tell you, what are the benefits of joining selling profession, that to pharmaceutical selling profession. Now how to identify jobs in pharma companies? There are various platforms available, online search. But online search, many yes, nowadays on many companies are putting their advertisements, and they are getting means candidates from online. So one option is online search, but I would suggest you to go for this identifying networking path. Okay, that means you find out people who are working in this pharma industry as a medical representative, as an area manager or regional manager. Identify those people in the industry, because company pharma industry always go for people, those who people come from referral channels or words of mouth, because this profession requires lot of trust. Okay, why I'm saying this? Because medical representative or any field person, they are on the field, they are carrying lot of valuable material of company. So company wants people who they can trust, they can have full trust. Okay, because they send lakhs of rupees material to the sales people house. Okay, so they always prefer people through referral channels. ओके, तो आप अगर जाके कंपनीज के मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स या फिर एरिया मैनेजर्स को अगर कुछ कोई फाइंड आउट आप कर सकते हो और आपका रिज्यूम दे सकते हो, तो ये माउथ वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से अगर आपका नाम कंपनी में जाएगा, तो चांसेस है कि सिलेक्शन होने के चांसेस आपके बढ़ जाते हैं. Okay, so there are two types of search: online search, as well as you can meet physically also this industry people. Then friends, with this I'm completing first part, that is in this video. As I have already mentioned that I will be brief, I will be giving you overview of this industry. So this first part is over. Now in next video I will be talking about prerequisites. Prerequisites means ये होना जरूरी है, ये प्रोफेशन अगर फार्मा सेलिंग प्रोफेशन आपको ज्वाइन करना है तो ऐसे कौन से गुण आप में होने चाहिए. तो वो प्री रिक्विजिट्स में बताऊंगी और कौन से स्किल्स आपको चाहिए, सो दैट यू कैन बिकम वेरी इफेक्टिव मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. ओके, तो ये मैं बात करूंगी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. एंड हाउ फार्माराइज, दैट मीन्स आवर कंपनी फार्माराइज ट्रेनिंग एंड कंसल्टिंग, this company, how we can help you to get entry into this recession proof industry despite you being a fresher. क्योंकि आपको तो पता है कि हर एक कंपनी में एक्सपीरियंस बंदा चाहिए होता है, because he is ready to work, he is ready to generate business. Okay, but Pharmarise will help you to enter in this industry. Okay, so how we can help, everything I will explain you in coming videos. Okay, so friends, for more information, please visit our website, that is www.pharmarise.in, as well as you can follow us on Facebook as well as Instagram. Okay, friends, thank you so much for watching this video. See you. Thank you.